what is happening in Yemen should shock the international community. Doctors want to examine her. What they see is truly shocking.
A malnourished child in Yemen dies every 10 minutes, according to UNICEF's Middle East director, who says the deaths are preventable.
The huge levels of malnutrition are one of the important underlying causes of that high mortality rate.
Many live in filthy camps where disease and infection are rife and malnutrition difficult to combat.
In 1 week, we typically receive cases of the most severe acute malnutrition. Not average or at natural level, severe to the bone.
And now a cholera epidemic is spreading, with more than 5,000 cases every day.
While the silence of starvation tightens its grip on a forgotten people.
Help us to help them. Donate today.
Just £1 can help to save a life. The situation in Yemen is a humanitarian tragedy. 3 years of intense conflict has left 22.2 million people in need of humanitarian assistance. Almost 9,000 people have died and over 50,000 people have been injured or maimed. Please donate now on www.taskforceglm.org/Yemen.